In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the rectangle chart pattern, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to turn it on, and how to start using it on your charts without any confusion. First, make sure you're on your Tradingview chart with the market or asset you want to analyze already open. We're going to begin by opening the Indicators menu. Look towards the top of your screen and find the button labeled Indicators. It's usually near the toolbar area above your chart. Go ahead and click that. This opens up the main Indicators and Strategies window, where you can search through all the built-in tools that Tradingview offers. Once that Indicators window is open, move to the search bar at the top of the panel. In that search field, type the word rectangle. As you start typing, Tradingview will automatically filter the list of tools and patterns to show anything related to rectangles. This is the fastest way to narrow things down instead of scrolling through a long list. After you've typed rectangle, look through the results that appear just below the search bar. Among those options, you should see something labeled rectangle chart pattern. This is the specific tool we want to use. Carefully click on rectangle chart pattern once. When you do that, the tool will be activated and added to your charting tools, so you can begin drawing and identifying rectangular consolidation zones directly on your price chart. From here, you can start applying the pattern to your analysis. Typically, you'll use the rectangle chart pattern to highlight areas where price is moving sideways between clear support and resistance levels. This can help you spot potential breakout zones or areas of accumulation and distribution. Take a moment to experiment by drawing rectangles around price ranges where candles are bouncing between two horizontal levels. The more you practice, the faster you'll recognize these structures in real time. If you're serious about charting and want additional features like more indicators, more saved layouts, and an overall smoother experience, consider upgrading to a paid Tradingview plan. I have an affiliate link in the description that you can use to sign up for Tradingview Pro. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you, and it helps me keep creating step-by-step guides like this one. That's all there is to it. Click on indicators, type rectangle, select rectangle chart pattern, and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.